Okay, you guys, so we're here at Lake Superior. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some waves going on. It's pretty windy. We got me and my dad's buddy Sean on the left here, my dad on the right of our seine net, and we figured we might as well just do a pull real quick, see if we can get any. But last night they were getting the smelt, so hope we didn't miss them. I heard that they're getting them over somewhere north of us, so I don't know. We'll see what we get on this first pull. Hopefully we get some smelt. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I feel like a marshmallow.
My sister feels like a marshmallow because she's got a lot of layers on. Let's see here.
I really needed Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Not a one of them, Anna.
Shoot. Not a one.
Let's go with him.
Oh, that's that.
Should we go up to where that guy's?
Got one. Anna, bite its head off.
Where is it?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
You have to eat it alive?
No, you just gotta bite its head off. You spit it out. Go like this.
Oh, we got one.
What?
We'll rinse it off for you.
Thank you. What?
One schmaltz.
Okay,
Oh.
so.
And that's all I have to do, right? Bite it off.
Okay, for tradition, she has to bite the head off the smelt.
Oh.
Let's see.
Go, Hannah, darling.
Can she do it?
Do it, Hannah. You can do
No,
it.
just open it.
Go!
Just do it, Hannah. Just bite the head off. Because then you can just spit the head of Jimmy.
Right.
Bite it off and spit it at your brother.
That's so easy.
Spit the head of Jimmy.
Oh, she did it! Oh, she did it!
Oh, isn't that bad?
Smelt is headless. She did it.
Hannah did it.
Woo! Okay, so we walked down the beach a couple yards, and we decided to do a pull because we could kind of smell fish. And here we are.
Guys, can I hold
Oh, I need a light. Okay, that's a smelt there. So, where's the cooler? Get the cooler over here, right there. Toss them in the cooler.
Hannah, you're going to take a picture with me in a smelt, Hannah.
Eat it?
No, we're going to put one in our mouth and take a picture.
Wait, so we're not going to put it fully in our mouth. We're going to put it
Hold it with your teeth.
There's a nice one.
Look at these. These are some nice jigging smelts.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, here's one. The smaller ones, like this one, are usually males, and the bigger ones are females. But looks like we got them all.
Yeah, Hannah.
And it might be shallow enough for me to do a pull, so we'll see.
You're not going to eat it.
You just gotta do that.
Can you take a picture with your...
Yeah.
Oh, Hannah.
Okay, so I just made a run,
No!
and we got a couple smelt.
What?
So that hand's got a big female there. Drop them in the cooler. We got quite a few already. Okay guys, so here's our seine. It's technically a net with two poles at the end. And at the end, right here wrapped up, it's pretty much a pocket. Sorry about the wind, it might be a little noisy, but the pocket, what the smelt do is when they come in between the two people pulling on the sticks, so on this side, sorry, can't explain much, but so on this side, and that side there's people pulling, and so when the smelt are in between those two, they come down in this pocket here and they get caught. So when we pull the seine up on the beach, we flip the pocket inside out, we pick the smelt, we put them in our bucket here. So that's all the smelt we got so far. We're gonna do a couple more pulls, and then I think we're gonna call it. So I'll do a little clip of me doing a pull, so yeah. Okay, sorry if you can't see anything, but we're walking out right now. Probably hear the waves. So here's our pull. Here's our result. Sitting right in that pocket, just like we wanted. Let's pull them out.
Hey, Daddy, the lid came off of the...
That's okay, Hannah. I'll fix it.
Grab them here.
Got some more.
Then we'll throw them in the cooler.
Oh, you still got them in the natural side.
I know.
That was a good pull there.
Oh, guess what, guys? I just farted at my waiter.
Oh, Lord. But guess who's gotta take the big part of smelling it since you're waiters?
See what smells like that? It's another.
There's a whole group here.
Oh, look at all these smelts.
Oh, that was
That was the best pull. Yeah, easy the best pull. That was the best pull, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Jimmy, nice tugging on that one there.
About fell over in the waves.
Well, that's good. Because you had so many smelts.
I was like, ooh.
So many smelts, you're just going to fall right over, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so hey guys, we're back at the house and it's the next day. We got our smelt here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean them and kind of like prep them for eating them. So first we're gonna give them a rinse. Get all that sand off. Seems good. So here's a male. You can tell by the size. The males are the smaller ones. And so take a pair of scissors here. So the males are the good ones to eat because their bones are not that big and hard, so you don't have to worry about them. So we're just gonna clip his head off here. And then we're gonna use our fillet knife. It really doesn't matter what kind of knife you use, but you're just gonna start from the bottom end. Oh, I still take a slice up, and we're just a little more back here. Okay. Then we're going to take our fingers, we're going to kind of squeeze it out. Shouldn't be that much. Most of it should just come out right off with the head. That smelt is ready to be fried, eaten, cooked, whatever.